Okay, let's do a memory planner spread in my big vertical. I've already cut out and laid out how I think I want the photos to go for this week's layout. Trying to do a little coupling, and I'm kind of feeling either I was trying to do like the story, next to it, and then I have all this space to kind of do it because then I can just talk about here. But some of the stories have two, like these are not all on the same day, so then that didn't work. So I have two ideas. So I think I'm going to use this big Mombi stick either across the center with this pattern paper in the background because it pulls the blues and greens and purples. And so does this. So do that across there with this, or I'm thinking about keeping it together but putting it on copy paper and blocking out this corner with that, and then this corner, and then that way it leaves me with 4 sections-ish to talk about. 1, 2, yeah. And don't get me wrong, not every photo needs to have a story to go along with it. These are just moments from the week that I felt like documenting. So let's just get started. I'll put you on fast forward and see where I go.
Okay, so here's always, I hope, the big takeaway that you get from watching my Memory Plan With Me videos is that this process or this kind of form of memory keeping does not have to be elaborate or too intricate or too detailed, or think of it as a pressured project to complete. These videos, even including this one, and this one's just, sped up a little bit, is like 4 minutes long. This can easily be something that you can enjoy doing on a Sunday or a Monday evening after the week is done, and putting together something as simple as this one with a few pieces of scrapbook paper, a few stickers, and your lovely photos, and capture those stories that we want to hold on to. This is my 4th year doing it, and I am already shopping for next year's. I'm just trying to decide if I want to switch up the format and like stick to the horizontal version rather than the vertical, which I've done for 4 years. But I always encourage my friends and family, whether you're a mom or not, to do some sort of memory keeping, because these moments on your camera phone will just sit there. So it's so good to print out your photos and put them either in a journal, in a planner, in a notebook, in an album, but just start printing your photos, and something really creative can come from it if you choose to do this.
Okay, that'll be it for this one. I feel like, yes, it is very linear, and that works for sometimes. It makes it kind of a simple, no muss, no fuss layout. I can definitely do a story about this book fair. Probably here I can chop it up into 2 boxes and talk about her sleeping, and then my first pumpkin spice latte. This one was just kind of like a family weekend, birthdays, and then just a story about how she puts her little mask from school on her dollies when we play school at home. So it's definitely a story for the making. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is a simple approach to keeping the memory planner up to date for your weeks. Like I said, it doesn't have to be complicated. A few photos and then large stickers and scrapbook paper are always my go-to. Until next time,